Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, where we explore the most innovative and stylish ways to build your dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A small modern modular home is a residence built in sections or modules within a controlled factory environment before being transported and assembled on a permanent foundation. At the final site, unlike traditional stick-built houses, these homes are engineered with high precision, often using sustainable materials and cutting-edge technology. The modern aspect refers to the architectural aesthetic characterized by clean lines, flat or shed roofs, large glass windows, and open-concept floor plans. Though they are smaller in footprint, they are designed to maximize every square inch, proving that you don't need massive acreage to enjoy high-end, sophisticated living. One of the most compelling reasons to choose a modular home is the incredible efficiency and cost-effectiveness it offers. Because these homes are built indoors, there are no weather delays. Material waste is significantly reduced, which translates to a lower price point for the homeowner. Beyond the budget, modular homes are remarkably eco-friendly. The factory setting allows for tighter construction and better insulation, leading to superior energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Furthermore, the speed of construction is unmatched. While a traditional home might take a year to finish, a modular home can be ready for move-in within just a few months. This makes them a perfect solution for those who want a high-quality, durable dwelling without the long-term stress of a chaotic construction site to make a small modular home truly stand out. The exterior decoration should focus on a less is more philosophy that emphasizes natural textures and smart lighting. Start by incorporating mixed materials, such as combining warm wood siding with sleek metal panels or dark corrugated steel. This adds visual depth and prevents the structure from looking too boxy. Landscaping plays a crucial role as well. Using native grasses, stone pathways, and minimalist rock gardens can ground the house in its environment. Adding a large wooden deck or a seamless patio transition creates an indoor-outdoor flow that makes the small footprint feel much larger. Finally, don't underestimate the power of lighting. Recessed LED soffit lights and modern wall sconces can highlight the architectural lines of your home at night, giving it a high-end luxury resort vibe. When it comes to style, the most popular choices for small modular homes focus on blending functionality with a striking visual identity. The mid-century modern style is a perennial favorite, utilizing large windows and organic shapes to connect with nature. Another top contender is the industrial minimalist look, which uses raw materials like steel and concrete for a rugged yet sophisticated appearance. For those who love a cozy feel, the modern farmhouse modular style offers a beautiful mix of classic gabled roofs with contemporary black window frames and white siding. Lastly, the Scandinavian Nordic style is highly sought after for its focus on light woods, neutral palettes, and extreme functionalism, ensuring that every design element serves a purpose while looking effortlessly chic. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best small modern modular homes ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. The Woodland Sanctuary Cabin. This design features a beautiful horizontal wood slat facade that blends seamlessly into a forest backdrop. The long, flat roofline extends to create a covered porch, while the floor-to-ceiling windows ensure the interior is flooded with natural light, making it the ultimate retreat for nature lovers. 2. The Asymmetrical Coastal Retreat. A stunning example of modern geometry. This home uses a dramatic sloped roof and a black and white color palette to create contrast. The elevated wooden deck serves as an outdoor lounge, perfectly positioned to take in wide-open views while maintaining a compact, efficient footprint. 3. The dual-tone urban loft. This two-story modular masterpiece combines dark metal siding with warm timber accents. It features a unique screened-in privacy wall and a small elevated dining terrace, proving that you can have multiple zones for relaxation even on a small suburban lot. 4. The luminous glass box, focusing on transparency and light. This home uses thick white framing and massive sliding glass doors to blur the line between inside and out. The dark wood decking provides a rich, grounded contrast to the bright white structure, creating a very high-end gallery-like feel. 5. The rugged prairie homestead. Perfect for wide-open spaces, this home utilizes a shed-style roof and honey-toned wood siding. The corrugated metal base provides a sturdy industrial touch, while the wraparound railing offers a safe and stylish spot to watch the sunset over the horizon. 6. The minimalist monochrome pavilion. This ultra-modern design is all about clean lines and sharp angles. The stark white exterior is punctuated by dark window frames and a matching wooden deck, offering a sophisticated look that feels like a piece of contemporary art sitting in the landscape. 7. The two-story executive modular. Showing off the versatility of modular construction, this home features a cantilevered second floor and a built-in garage. The use of soft exterior lighting and warm wood underroofing creates a welcoming, luxurious atmosphere that rivals any custom-built mansion. 8. The sloped roof sunseeker. This home is designed to capture every bit of daylight with its unique multi-level roof system. The integrated hammock on the deck and the tiered landscaping make it feel like a permanent vacation home, emphasizing leisure and outdoor enjoyment. 9. The wide-format modern ranch. A sleek single-story design that emphasizes horizontal living. The massive glass frontage allows for a view straight through the home, while the minimalist garden and stepping stone path create a clean, organized entry that is incredibly inviting. 10. The A-frame fusion studio. Blending a classic gabled silhouette with ultra-modern black steel and glass, this home is a showstopper. The integrated fire pit area and the glowing interior lights visible through the glass peak make it the perfect cozy meets contemporary. Dwelling for a modern family, small modern modular homes are more than just a trend. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about homeownership and design. By prioritizing quality over quantity and efficiency over excess, these homes allow us to live more intentionally without sacrificing style or comfort. Whether you are looking to build a backyard studio, a weekend getaway, or your primary residence, the flexibility of modular design ensures that your home can grow and adapt to your unique lifestyle. It's about creating a space that works for you rather than you working for your space. If you enjoyed seeing these incredible modular home designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architecture and decor inspiration. We want to hear from you which of the 10 designs we featured today was your favorite. Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest trends in modern living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.